A good morrow to this fair assembly, my TJ scholars, and welcome to Thanksgiving week. This is a beautiful thing in all kinds of ways. Today is Monday, November the 23rd, and we have several things to talk about today. I'd like to start by taking a look back at the last couple weeks, and then we'll talk about just a couple things that are coming up. First of all, I have a message for the entire TJ family. That's you kids, staff, our families. The message is this: thank you, thank you, thank you, and congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. Over the last couple weeks, friends, we did something that some people wondered if we could even do it at all, and it's this. We brought almost everybody, all three grade levels, back to TJ, almost everybody face to face, and that is awesome. Even those families that are doing virtual learning, they did a fantastic job. They helped us. So those of you that were here in any form or fashion the last couple weeks, great job. I think this is a good time for us to think about, well, why did this go so well? And then also let's think about what lessons do we learn from that? So here's a couple things. Why did this go so well? Friends, this went well because of you. If you're a virtual learner, it went well because you logged into that Schoology conference and you were tuned into what was going on in your class. If you were a face-to-face learner, this went well because you followed all of those health and safety protocols that we have put in place. You wore a mask. You came in the right entrance so that we didn't have big groups of people all in one spot. So we all really did a nice job, and we should all be really proud of how we did this. I think that maybe teaches us a lesson, guys. And the lesson is we are all in this together. So when I come to school and I'm wearing a mask and I'm washing my hands, not only does that help me, but it also helps you. It keeps you safe. And same thing when you guys come to school and you're wearing your mask, you're walking on the right side of the hall, you're washing your hands. That keeps all of us safe together. We are all in this together. Nicely done, everybody. Really proud of you. So with that, let's take a look ahead at this week and maybe just a little bit beyond that. This week, as of course a plane flies straight over my head, probably ruining this part of the announcement. Okay, thank you, plane. Anywho, this week we know is kind of a different week on a couple fronts. One, there's only 2 days of school this week. Today, Monday, and tomorrow, Tuesday, because Thanksgiving break, baby. No school on Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday for anybody. So today is our normal virtual Monday. So you have this morning meeting, a little bit of independent work, and then your asynchronous encore. Now tomorrow, my friends, tomorrow is kind of a different day for those of you that have been coming face to face. Tomorrow, it's a virtual day for everybody. We are following the same schedule, guys. So we have our AM sessions and our PM sessions, but everybody is virtual. Your teacher can talk to you about your schedule for tomorrow. So that's what's going on today and tomorrow. Let's look ahead just a little bit. First of all, after Thanksgiving break, which I hope is completely awesome for everybody, and I hope everybody eats some really fun and awesome stuff. Mr. Swanson is definitely doing that. When we come back after Thanksgiving break, Monday, November the 30th, so not today, but 1 week from today, the 30th, that's our normal virtual Monday. So, and again, you'll have a morning meeting, some independent work, your asynchronous encore. Then everybody is back for hybrid or virtual learning on Tuesday, December the 1st. There, I said it, December. Can you believe that? Wow, it's almost here, friends. So that's what's coming up. So that takes us to where is Mr. Swanson? And just like always, we start with where was Mr. Swanson? So last week, friends, I gotta admit, I sort of made it hard for you all. The place that I originally was going to film, I think if I'd been able to film from there, I think that more of you would have gotten it right. Not a whole lot of classes got it right. Last week, friends, I was at the Key Bridge between Roslyn, Virginia and Washington, D.C., between Roslyn and technically Georgetown. A lot of classes had different guesses. They knew that I was like near a bridge. They guessed Memorial Bridge, Roosevelt Bridge. No, it was the Key Bridge. So we did have a few classes that were able to figure this out. Way to go, Mrs. Fine's class. Way to go, Mrs. England's class. Nice job, Miss Allen's class. Nicely done, Miss Sheldon and Mrs. Lauer's class. And nicely done, Mrs. Hughes' class. So let's turn our attention to where is Mr. Swanson now. So you can tell the building behind me, friends, it is big. It is really, really big. I'm not sure that even this camera can do it justice, but it is really big. And inside this building are all kinds of really awesome artistic events. There are plays and concerts and poetry readings and concerts, operas, things, all kinds of great artistic events in this building behind me. Also, this building is located right along the Potomac River. So you see the Potomac River behind me. And then here's your final clue. Somewhere, I think, right through those doors. I'm still not sure I'm seeing it. There you go. You can't really see it, but there's some doors there. Right through those doors is sort of an iconic, famous place. It's called the Hall of Nations. The Hall of Nations. And it's really cool. It's red carpet, and then there's this big, long hall, and hanging from the sides are flags from nations across the world, hence the Hall of Nations. So there you have it, friends. Where is Mr. Swanson? Where am I? So, big building with lots of artistic events. It is alongside the Potomac River, and then right through some doors over there is the Hall of Nations. Talk it over, figure it out. I will give a shout out to those classes that get it right. All right, my friends, let's get it started. It should be a great week, only 2 days, and then the awesomeness of a 3-day break at Thanksgiving. Friends, let's be safe, let's be respectful, let's be responsible, just like every single day, no matter where we are. Let's do some good today. Have a good one.